We'll do an 8-ounce filet mignon. We're feeling lucky today. Ready to roll out. Everybody say thanks, TK.
Thanks, TK.
Thank you again, TK. Thank you again, Miss TK.
Let's forking spend.
Today, we are swapping credit cards. We're doing a very... Today we are swapping credit cards and we have so many fun activities planned. In case you don't know who this icon is, we have Miss TK Juicy's TK. Let's do it. Sharpay. Nisi Teeks, we are here today. We're gonna swap credit cards.
Yeah.
So I can't wait to just spend your money.
My credit card has a limit. I don't think yours does.
I actually have a merch collection that I've been needing to shoot for, and with this new budget, I was like, why not rent a cabin?
It's not gonna be very big.
Why not 2 cabins? Why not 2 locations? And
What am I buying? 2 locations?
2 locations. Food, obviously road trip snacks. So that's pretty much what I'm excited for. What are you gonna be spending my money on?
I don't know. You'll have to see.
You'll have to go check out her video to
Yeah.
find out.
So mine's Chase.
That's
I don't know
right.
if you're familiar.
Get out of here.
It's not weighted.
I also have plastic
Okay.
cards, you know. Swap.
Okay, swap.
Any parting words?
Cha-ching. Swipe, swipe.
Cha-ching, swipe, swipe.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, it is the next day. It is officially our shoot day for my new merch collection. Big shout out to TK for paying for the Airbnbs.
Oh my God,
Thanks,
she's
TK.
so
So we're going on a mini road trip. We're gonna start how every road trip should begin. Starbucks on TK's card.
Period.
Mwah. Let's go.
I'm gonna get a venti.
And snacks and lunch and everything. But first, Starbucks.
Glasses
Ooh, what do
on
I
for this.
want? I'm excited. I can have anything I want. Where's the holiday? Yes! Caramel brulee, peppermint mocha, iced sugar cookie almond milk latte. That sounds good.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah? Is that it? Yeah, me
Yeah.
almond. Could I please do 3 venti iced sugar cookie almond milk lattes? And can I do a 4th, but can I make that with oat milk, please? And hot, please. Everybody say thanks, TK.
Thanks, TK. We all got a venti.
Thank you. We got a venti.
Damn, TK.
Let's do a little
got money.
taste test. Oh my God, that's delicious.
Delightful.
I haven't gotten a venti since I was like 7, but I love it. This might be my favorite Starbucks drink I've ever had.
Really?
It's so good. I like it warm too.
I think more than peppermint, it's just so like easy to suck on. You know? We came to honestly probably a better breakfast spot. The Golden Arches. Could f up a sausage, egg, and cheese. It seems as though everyone else could as well.
Oh, wow.
Thanks, TK.
You're a McCriddle girl?
love
Why did I say it like that?
McGriddle.
McCriddle?
You're a
I've never
McCritter?
tried a McGriddle actually.
They're so good.
It's so good, babe.
Hi, I'm ready.
Oh.
She might have told me to wait, but I didn't hear.
Watch
She
your back and
probably
be
asked
like-
me to wait, and I was like, I'm ready.
What's that apple fritter?
You've never had it.
McDonald's, would you be using the mobile app today?
Hi, I will not be.
She said you
Can she
couldn't
hear
leave.
me? Can I please do 4 sausage egg McMuffins and then 4 hash browns, please? Thank you. $22.29.
Thanks, TK. Let's forking spend.
Let's working.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I agree.
She didn't laugh.
Thank you so much.
Love.
God bless the Golden
Thank you.
Arches. Let's go to Big Bear. Welcome to Miss Remy's Getaway. We are at the Unbothered and Cozy Collection shoot. Let's go. Hello all, we've arrived in Big Bear. We're at our first photo location for the Unbothered and Cozy merch collection that's coming out on December 2nd. Also, I'm doing Vlogmas on my vlog channel, check it out. We booked this, thank you Miss TK, to shoot the merch. Check her out, she's cute, she's cute. Ollie heard about this viral window where people take photos in, and I thought it'd be perfect for the collection because we're cozy, and we're extra cozy because this is a tiny home. We're gonna give you a little tour of the tiny home. Here's the bed. That's it, thanks for watching.
My apartment.
Really? This is so cute. I think it's probably, what, like 100 square feet maybe. We got really lucky because in this location, which it's called Getaway by the way, and look, they left this little s'mores kit. This company getaway has like, what, 15 of these little tiny homes in the area. And I think we got the best one with the best view, which is so perfect because it was like randomly assigned. We're feeling lucky today. Thank you again, Miss TK. We've got the bed here. It's stunning with the window. We're in the mountains. We've got a little table with some little crayons. Ooh. We've got a heater. We've got a cute little fridge. I think it was $229 for the night. So expensive, but like such a fun experience too. And I feel like in total, it was a good deal. We've got like a whole cooking situation. You've got a stove top, that's really nice. A sink, and then over here, the loo. We've got a little toilet, and then behind the door is a little mini shower. So you really have everything you could possibly need. And I think this is gonna be the cutest photos and just a fun little staycation.
We're all gonna sleep in the same bed.
Can't wait to cuddle. It's lunchtime. TK's treating us all to lunch at, what is this place called? We found it on Yelp.
Rocky's Road.
Rocky's Roadhouse. We're getting sandwiches. All right, got lunch for everybody. We got 5 sandwiches, so it was $70.42. We tipped $15, so I'm excited and hungry. All right, we've got our, wow, that's a salad on a bread. It's a salad bread.
Hey, this is gonna take us out. Oh, the cheese.
Cheese. This looks so good.
Welcome to photo shoot location number 2, guys. We got to the cutest little A-line. Is that what it's called? A-line?
It looks like an A.
It looks like an A. It's a cute Airbnb. Come on in. Let's do a tour.
That's a big bear. That's another big bear.
Thank you again, TK. Welcome to this dream hotel.
Oh, shit.
Welcome to the living room. We have Jesse and Eli resting as they should. As I said, looks like an A. I was sitting in this beanbag. It just fits my little petite body so perfectly.
Yeah, baby
I like
leg.
to sit here. We've got the fireplace, a gorgeous chandelier. It's amazing. This place sleeps 8. The altitude is getting to me. I am panting.
She's winded.
Whew, how cute is this kitchen? So pretty. I like how like tiny it is. I feel like I am in, I want to say New York City, but New York City's, this is big for a New York City kitchen. It just feels so like cozy. I think this is so cute. You have so much space. You can like cook over here, and then you're right here at the sink. But I'm not gonna be cooking tonight because dinner's on TK, so. We've got, oh, bunk beds. How do you get up there? Ow.
Keep going.
Ow.
Keep going.
It hurts.
You got this.
When I was a kid, Shane had a bunk bed with stairs on one side, and then this side was a slide. So you could slide down. It was really
That's fun.
Yeah, I don't like it up here. I'm just scared I'm gonna roll over.
You're not. That's what this is for.
It's not that
Yeah,
high.
it's not that,
Look at this. If I sleep like this,
Remy, you don't have like some like X-Men powers to like do that shit in your sleep. Your body is not that out of control.
another bed in here. I will say, wow. Oh my God, the beds here are really comfortable.
Yeah, squeeze.
Comfy pillows, comfy bed. I'm tired, let's go upstairs. We've got a little railing here, and this reminds me of High School Musical when Gabriella's like, that's funny when you find yourself looking from the outside. You know that exact scene?
Exactly.
I'm standing here. Here we have foosball. We've got Golden Tee 3D Golf and NBA Jam. Yes, we got board games, we got a little couch, and then last but not least, we have my room with the cool ceiling. And the only person that I will allow to sleep with me tonight is Alicia.
Boo.
Because everyone else snores.
I don't snore.
Okay, maybe Wit. She might be able to tonight. No, Ollie. Now we're gonna get back to shooting. Bye. We'll do an 8-ounce filet mignon. And then we'll do the artichoke stuffed chicken breast with the garlic mashed potatoes and the clam chowder. Gluten-free and vegan kale mushroom ravioli. And then the Impossible Burger, please. It's dinner time. Thanks, TK, for paying for dinner.
You guys are so welcome.
Only we didn't know they were coming as early as they did, so we didn't even get her dinner on our own tab. Sorry. We ordered everyone dinner. We've got pasta, we got steaks, we went all out. We got a burger, chicken, we got it all.
How much was she?
The sweet flavor free. Hi guys, we're back from Big Bear and we're at Target! The peanut gallery has continued. continued. And obviously right now, the holiday season is upon us, and now is a wonderful time to give back to those in need. If you guys have the ability to, I highly encourage you to do so. We were at Target because we're gonna buy a bunch of toys and donate them to a toy drive for children in need of Christmas presents this year. So it's gonna be so much fun, and shout out to TK again. And also, I'm excited to buy gifts and toys that I would want for myself, and I would have wanted as a kid, and I still want as an adult. So let's go.
Remy gives back.
Miss Remy gives back. Let's go.
Shaky, shaky.
I just ran into the curb in front of a bunch of people. That was embarrassing.
It was embarrassing.
We've arrived. Ollie just fell on the escalator.
I was recording Remy and I wasn't paying attention. It was bad.
It was bad, but he's
No,
okay.
Don't do it. Don't film and go up the escalator.
PSA, but we're here. Just noting it's very loud because of the air, but that's okay. That's so cute. You think people want this?
Yes.
Oh, squishmallows. We should get squishmallows. Cooking with Remy. I always wanted the ice cream maker as a kid. We're getting this. I'm having the best time. Let's do her. Firefighter Barbie. Puppy corn and kitty corn. You can buy these. Ollie and I were here the other night, and look at this. It's a sushi, but wait. It's a ramen. Now we have a reason to buy them, Ollie.
If I was a child, I won't want this. That's me as a children's toy.
Period. This is
Hal
so.
would love that.
He would, but not today.
Everyone
Check.
wants a T-Rex.
And Kenzo! He told me that my powers would grow like rain. Batman! Batman. We're done. The car is full, ready to roll out. Literally. Hey, the princess dolls. I think the one princess doll.
For Momo.
Moana. Mama. Tiana. Hello all. Ho, ho, ho. We are back. As you can tell by the decorations behind us, it is Vlogmas season now, and I'm doing Vlogmas on my vlog channel. TK's doing Vlogmas on her channel. Check out TK's other Vlogmas videos. I'm here to report back how much I spent on your card.
Okay.
I had a lovely ball of a time, and I didn't even mean to wear the merch, but we did obviously the merch shoot.
So obviously click the link in the description.
Obviously. First we went to Starbucks, and that was $25.60 for 4 people. We went to
Great.
McDonald's, we got some breakfast because we were hungry,
Yum.
obviously. $22.29.
What a deal.
A lot of this was honestly food. Lunch was for 5 people, $79.42. Got a delicious sandwich up in Big Bear.
Okay.
Dinner, $270. We did get some steaks after a long day. Long day.
Well
needed
deserved.
steak.
Well
The
deserved.
2 locations that we shot out, Airbnb was $664.72.
Okay.
And the other house was $206, which actually
Oh, wait, that's so good.
was covered by my merch company. So I can actually delete that from the total. And then Target, I went and bought some toys for a toy drive because it is the holiday season.
It's all about giving back, baby.
All about giving
That's
back.
really nice of you.
Our grand total is $1,318.25.
That's great. You went under budget.
I actually got a lot of stuff too. The photos,
I can't
the
believe you got
toys,
that for the stay.
the steak,
in
the
Big
night.
Bear.
I know. What a wonderful
You
time.
had a big house.
A big house.
Yeah,
With a jacuzzi. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out TK's video on her channel and all her other Vlogmas videos. Check out my Vlogmas, shop remicruz.com for the merch, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!